Hi everybody, Patti and Jennie here with the Healthy, Happy, Strong Tribe, and we're coming to you with another quick DIY. Our special today is just going to be our really simple cleaning solution, and I use this for just about everything now. I've thrown out everything that was a spray cleaner, my washer, my window cleaner, my Lysol sprays, everything, bathroom, kitchen, wood floors. I use this for absolutely everything. How about you?
I haven't tried the wood floor trick yet, but I'm going to. I use it for everything else you mentioned though.
Yeah, it's phenomenal. And it's such a value because you're going to see here, you use such a small amount. This is just an amazing product. It's very highly concentrated with the OnGuard blend. And we're going to show you how simple it is to use. So you want to do the honors?
Sure.
So it's really, we're just looking to use, the instructions are pretty clear. It says 2 tablespoons per 24 ounces of water in a spray bottle. You can also use this for your dishes, and it's a great bathroom cleaner and other surface cleaner. So, Patti, I'm going to let you do it. Okay. So you can use a teaspoon, right? Or we're going to use about 2 teaspoons versus 2 tablespoons because the container that we're using is about 8 ounces. So we did some really high technical math. We're guessing.
That's right.
We divided it and said, if it's not 2 tablespoons, we'll go 2 teaspoons. You're just going to add that to the bottle. Now you always want to use a glass bottle as opposed to a plastic bottle, because the beautiful thing about these oils and their cleansing properties is they'll actually draw out polychemicals. And if you use them in a plastic, if it's not a plastic that's sustainable or won't be, dissolved, then you're going to extract those polychemicals. So we want to make sure that you use a glass spray bottle and then just top it off with water.
Does stainless steel work as well?
Yes, yeah, you can use stainless steel if you have a stainless steel container. And you can pick those up pretty reasonable at the dollar store. I've seen them. Now the key is not to use too much solution. We've all made that mistake where instead of,
getting there,
balancing or measuring it out, I've just done a squirt. But in this small 8-ounce container, it can be a little heavy. Now it's great in the bathroom. You might want to add a little bit more if you're looking to clean some heavy grime, but it can leave a residual if you use too much of it on countertops and surfaces. So that is it. It smells amazing, right?
It does. Love that smell.
And we've literally, can't even tell we've used this bottle. So super easy. It's ready to go. Oil and water doesn't mix, so I always give it a shake before I use it. And you can spray it directly on your surfaces. You can spray it on your rags and actually do the windows. I tend to do that but I use Knourek or a nice rag that doesn't have lint. And it just does an amazing job. Once you get like your shower curtains and stuff done too, or the shower doors, it's wonderful at keeping streaks at bay, and it's a fabulous solution. So quick and easy. Hope you guys give it a try. You can see how easy it is to make, and it saves you a lot of money.
Absolutely. It's great.
Great.